Hi everyone, have you ever wanted to shop online but wished that you could have pay later without any extra fees? Well, now you can do it with the help of Tabby in Saudi Arabia. So whether you are buying from Zarir, Namashi, Noon or IKEA, Tabby lets you split your payments into 4 interest-free installments or delay payment until next month with no hidden fees and no stress. So in this video, we will show you how you can actually use Tabby in the form of its application and in the form of the Tabby physical card in Saudi Arabia. So using Tabby is super simple. You just have to first of all go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Tabby. Then you need to download and install its application on your device, and once you open it, you will have to set up your profile, or you need to basically create your account. For that, tap on the profile tab in the bottom right hand corner and then tap on login and sign up. Over here you need to select your country and select it as Saudi Arabia and confirm it. After that, you need to provide your phone number, and on the next page you just have to simply set it up with the help of the other things that it will ask you to do. It may ask you to set up your payment details and further details, so you just have to provide those, and this way you will be able to create your account. Then you need to come on the home page and you need to pick your favorite items from your favorite brand. Over here you will see various featured stores, so you can tap on the view all option in order to view them, and as you can see that the top brands like Amazon, NARS, Shein, Temu are also available here. So you just have to simply choose your favorite brand or your favorite store, and from there you need to just choose your favorite item and you need to simply head over to the checkout page. At the time of checkout, you just have to simply choose Tabby as your payment method and select whether you want to split the payment into 4 or you want to pay next month, all with 0 interest. So you need to complete your order with your favorite store and you are done. Your payments will be automatically deducted on as per the schedule. So this is how easy it is for you to use Tabby in Saudi Arabia. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.